Taylor. We're at LS Fest Bowling Green. All right, so it's a 1980 Malibu. We call it the Maliboost. I got the original car when I was 15. It's gone through some transitions, upgrades. I actually went big block for a while, blew that up, and then now we're back to a stock bottom end 5.3 with it's an aluminum 5.3 with twin 75s on it. I actually just put this intake on yesterday. Not yesterday morning, Wednesday morning. We ordered it through Motorstate since that's where we get our stuff from, or Meyer, I think actually. But I ordered it, arrived there. I own my own fab shop. He does all the Holley wiring, I do the fab. So we knocked out the fab work, getting her on there, and fired it up, did a little bit of tuning, and headed down south. Got Holley HP ECU on it with just standard wiring harness. Got the two Holley 12-1800 pumps on it with the Holley Dominator fuel regulator. Just actually got the rail kit with the intake the other day. Pretty much anything electronic on it's Holley. I'm saving up to get some of the Holley smart coils because those are awesome. We love those. They make a lot of power. We've talked to a lot of guys making big power, and they help when you start pushing the stock stuff as far as we are. It can help a lot. I was actually running the no time shootout. Yeah, we actually even got a shot of nitrous on here because these two turbos are so big for this little 5.3. I was spraying it on the brake. We just got a new converter in and everything, ready to go take some 10K home, and testing on the brake earlier. I put a little bit too much of nitrous to it. We got a little knocking, but it's a stock bottom end motor, man. It's got a good cam in it, but that's it. So we might find another one and slap her in there for tomorrow. Back in drag week, we swapped a couple motors actually on the road, so it's nothing we haven't done before. We had this motor out so many times. It's made to work on. We're about functionality. For my car, we're about racing and functionality. That's why we use the Holley product. It's functionality, works great, and I made it to work on. So we could have the motor out in 20 minutes. We've got it set up to where it data logs everything. Every time I go full throttle, we get a data log with the Holley. It's a great system to have. That's why we're here. He's actually we own our own shop, so we're a Holley dealer. So we push everybody towards Holley. Every single one of these cars you see here has got Holley on it. They're great. They perform great. They work great, and they're a great price. So we push all of our customers towards them just because we work on a lot of stuff that's not Holley, and we don't like it because it's so horrible. It's just like, man, just do it right the first time, and you won't have any issues. So the original car I got when I was 15, a freshman, after that second year of drag week, I had like a dent in my quarter panel, and I didn't know what it was from. And then I kept running that year. I actually upgraded turbo, and we were leaving harder, and it was going 8s. I got a dent in the other quarter panel, and that winter I'm like, man, what's wrong? The frame buckled and bent. So I bought this roller, just the gray part that you see. I bought a roller. It didn't have a floor in the back, so I did all the bars. I learned how to TIG weld. I started doing fabrication on it, and I took everything from my old car. We swapped it over. All my buddies came over one weekend, and we basically built the whole car in a weekend after I had the fab work done. And it was gray and green. This green color was the color of my old car, and we just started going racing. And we really like to bring an upbeat atmosphere everywhere we go. Doesn't matter if I blow it up or not. I'm having a good time. So. We interact with everybody, started letting people sign it. It gets, if a little kid gets to sign a cool car and they get to see it go down the track, it gets them involved, they remember that kind of stuff. So I like being a part of the sport, getting involved. So, and it's fun being able to work on something and try to go fast and not have to worry about the paint and chipping it or bumping into something, or even the no prep stuff. You might even, bump a wall. Like, I don't care. Sometimes, we joke around with guys, you start messing with your buddies, you're on a no prep race or something, they're like, man, you better watch out, I might come in your lane. I'm like, dude, you better stay out of my lane because I'll drive right through your door, I'll never let out. I've been there, I've done the eBay stuff, I've done the cheap stuff, and now it's worth the money the first time to do it right. We get a lot of cars in with different products in our shop that we have to redo with the right stuff, with Holley and with the right products, because there's too many people that do it the wrong way. But yeah, man, this is a great event, and I think I went down to Holley. They pointed me in the right direction this morning to get my bottle filled. The guy hooked me up, helped me out. I had a leaky seal on my nitrous bottle. He helped me out. I can't even remember his name, but you know, filled it, fixed it, everything I needed. So it was great, man. It's having a great time. Just a lot of people here, a lot of great cars.
Yeah, it should be a little crazier with Saturday.
Oh yeah, it's only Friday. Like yesterday we pulled in, we got here, I think we were the first ones in line. We stayed the night here Wednesday night. We're the first one lines out here and line out there, and it was 11 o'clock. Registration didn't open until 12, and there was a line 100 foot long.